Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, let me show you what we'll be doing. We'll show you guys how to test seatbelt pretensioner or how to test seatbelts. So this is the pretensioner guys right here, and if that thing is burnt, okay, if it's not working, you're going to get an airbag light and a code. If the car was in an accident, it will be activated, so it will not work anymore. Again, you will get a code and a light. Now, this one is not activated, and we'll show you guys how to test them, what it needs to show to know it's good, and how to know if it's a good or a bad pretensioner. Now, all we need guys, okay, sometimes they'll have wires coming out, sometimes it's a connector, like an airbag connector. You can see inside you have two pins. Okay, let me show you, one here, one there, two pins. So we need a voltmeter now guys, okay, a regular voltmeter now. Okay, let me just get that thing here. Okay, we need to set it at ohms, okay, the lowest setting for ohms. And if the pretensioner, okay, is bad, it's going to stay at 1. Okay, it's like it's blown. It's like you're not communicating, so it will be blown. It will show 1. If it's a good pretensioner, it will show 0.5. Okay, and you need to give it a couple seconds to normalize. Okay, check it out now. 0.7, 0.6, and if we keep waiting, okay, it's going to approach, okay, 0.5. This is it guys, this is one good seatbelt pretensioner right here at 0.5. Now if it's anything more than I think 0, okay, 0.7, 6, 7, probably it's not good. If it doesn't show anything, it's not good at all. So that's how you guys test this seatbelt pretensioner on a Dodge Journey guys. Okay, this is out of a Dodge Journey, but it will be the same for Fiat Primo. Also, we have more than 200 videos, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.